everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn, and today it's all about smash burgers. I am so excited about this. I just love this. It's like my family's comfort food. And I like to buy a whole lot of beef at one time or use a whole lot of venison at one time and make these burgers along with a bigger, fatter burger that I make a hamburger steak out of, or make, steak and gravy, that kind of thing. So anyway, today it's all about the smash burger. So I've got my big skillet here, which I love because it holds a lot of meat. And I'm just gonna put my smash burger patties down into the skillet. There we go. And it's not gonna take just a minute to make because they are nice and flat. Okay, so I have this awesome seasoning. So I usually like to make my own seasoning up and I keep it in the pantry, but I don't have it today. And I love this seasoning. It's Hunt Chef. And it is awesome. And I'm using the beef rub. So it's gonna be really good. It's got cumin in it, very, very good. And I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top, and it's gonna add a whole lot of awesome flavor. And while these are cooking, I'm gonna take you over here and show you the other products that they have. They have all kinds of stuff from, wild turkey, elk, fish, and then this Canadian Carnivore, which is kind of a just a really well-rounded spice. They've got all kinds of stuff. They've got things for Italian sausage, jerky kits, all kinds of things, ham kits. I mean, just a ton of stuff that you're gonna love. So check them out, Hunt Chef. I'll have it in the text of the video. And now it's about time to flip these burgers. That is gonna really make this delicious, having those, having this spice rub or this spice blend on these burgers. I'm gonna put it on the other side, and it's got just the right amount of salt. I don't really like my burgers to be very sweet, and there's like a really great sweet and spicy rub over here that I like to put on my ribs, and it is just divine. But on my burgers, I like it to be straight salt, pepper, it's got cumin, and I don't even know what all else is in it, but it's great. Believe me, it is absolutely delicious. So this is gonna be one great juicy burger. This one needs another flip. I didn't get it quite done on that side, and these are just about ready. So I have my bun that I've toasted, and I'm just gonna put it right here on the plate. I'm gonna put the cheese on top of the meat and go ahead and melt that. Now, a lot of times I'll put a sheet pan or something big over the top of it so that it'll get done. I'm just gonna try to keep that steam down in there instead of going out. That's not gonna work. Well, it kind of did. But usually I have a sheet pan close by and I can just put it over the top. All right, thanks. All right, I'm gonna get that nice and melted. I'm gonna spread a little bit of this Sriracha sauce. I just have some Sriracha here, and I mixed it with a little bit of Mayo. You can make a mustard sauce, or you can make a lettuce and pickles kind of relish. I'm gonna be putting some pickles on that in just a few minutes. Okay, I think that my burgers are probably ready to put on top of my bun. Look at that. So delicious. So I'm gonna put that right on top of here. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more Sriracha to the top of that. Look at that, delicious. This is gonna be so good, y'all. I cannot wait. And then I'm gonna add another patty. I'm gonna put a few pickles on the top of that. And this is gonna be my smashed burger. And here is my smash. Okay, how great is that? Delicious. So y'all, I cannot wait to eat it. I'm gonna cut it in half for you. Don't have the right kind of knife for that, but, and there you go. I know y'all wanna take a big bite of that. How great is that? Well, all right, well, that's how easy it is to make a smash burger. With the rest of my meat, after I make the rest of that, I'm gonna make just some delicious gravy, mushroom gravy, and just soak the other patties in that, and that's gonna be great over rice. So I like to make everything kind of all at once if I'm making one particular thing in the skillet. So I will talk to y'all later. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to check out Hunt Chef. Talk to you later.